Welcome back to Are You Smarter Than a Food Label? The game show that tests the food label knowledge of ordinary, everyday, average people. I'm your host, Label Man, the FDA's graphic representation of the nutrition facts label. Oh, really? Our next contestant hails from the lettuce capital of the U.S. His friends call him Bulldog, but say he wouldn't hurt a fly. All the way from sunny California, please give a warm nutrition facts label welcome to Mr. Tim Patrick. Tim will ask you the question, and you'll have the chance to answer. Or go to the food label. Or simply pass. However, you're allowed only one pass before you're disqualified. Let's get started. First question is multiple choice. A serving size is determined by A, the size of the package it's in, B, a predetermined portion that's easily found on the nutrition facts label, or C, the weight of the person eating that particular serving.
I'll go with B, a predetermined portion that's easily found on the nutrition facts label.
Correct! A package can easily have more than one serving. Remember, the nutrition facts label has the serving size and the number of servings, as well as other important nutritional information. Next question, true or false? The calorie section of the nutrition facts label shows the number of calories in that particular package.
I'll have to say true, Label Man.
Oh, I'm sorry, but it shows the number of calories per serving, not per package. Next question. What is the 5-20 rule? A, the formula for the number of calories it takes to run 5 miles in 20 minutes. B, the body's standard burn rate for fat in a food. Or C, a way to tell if a food is low or high in a particular nutrient.
That's easy, Label Man. The answer is C, a way to tell if a food is low or high in a particular nutrient.
That's right. If a food's daily value, or DV, of a nutrient is 5% or less, it's low in that nutrient. 20% or more means it's high. This can be bad or good depending on if it's a nutrient you want more or less of. Can you give me an example of a nutrient on each end of the scale, Tim?
Something like saturated fat would be a good thing to get 5% or less of, I would think. And you probably want a high number, 20% DV or more, or something like calcium or fiber, probably.
Good choices. Other nutrients to get more of include vitamins A, C, and iron. And those to get less of include saturated fat, cholesterol, and sodium. Moving along to our next question, true or false? It's impossible to truly know the nutritional value of a meal when you're away from home. Tim?
Well, I know that many restaurants are including healthy choices on their menus now, like light fares or low sodium or low fat selections. I'm not sure if they include the nutritional value, however. Oh, I did see the nutrition facts listed on a napkin at one takeout place the other day. I'm going to have to go with false, Label Man.
That's right. Many restaurants and food chains are making the nutritional information available on their websites, their menus at the restaurant, even on the wrappers of their takeout food in some instances. If you can't find it, just ask. Tim, you're doing pretty good so far. You've come down to the final question. Get this one right, and you'll win the grand prize. Answer it incorrectly, and you go home empty-handed. Are you ready to put it all on the line?
I am, Label Man.
Okay, here we go. What are the 3 things to remember when making healthy food choices? You have 10 seconds. Okay, Tim, let's see how you answered.
That would be calories, servings, and percent daily value.
That's correct! You're our grand prize winner! Congratulations! Make sure you join us next time on Are You Smarter Than a Food Label? Bye-bye, everybody!